when I founded Transcend a while back, we wanted to really look at what are the leadership practices that make the difference between success and failure in leading big change. Because a lot of this field can be very hocus pocus, very, very soft and fluffy. And we wanted a more scientific or rigorous way to analyze what makes the difference. So your business model is radically changing, and therefore how you bring in the change should really try and simulate or model that. So the last thing you'd want to do right now, if your business model is going to be more networked, is to dictate the change. You'd see the irony in actually bringing a top-down change alone when you're trying to work a business model that's much more networked. The first thing, I think, is to learn to move from what I call a vertical world of the hierarchy to a lateral world of learning how to work in networks rather than working through a chain of command. The second thing, which I think, Peter, you spoke about a lot last night, is to move from a world where what I call it's like an inside-out world. The supplier just pushes things out to a world that is more about outside in. So how can we really learn and listen to the outside world? I always look in a big change effort to who are the beneficiaries? Who are going to benefit from this change? And I don't always hear the beneficiaries in the conversation. So who are the ultimate target here for the change? And do we bring them out of the corporate story and use them in every meeting? I don't often hear the beneficiaries named. So outside in, not just inside out. And the third thing I think I'd say is to learn to lead in a world of partial solutions. Can it be good enough rather than perfect?